Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 631. We are now entering, or actually starting tomorrow, is the beginning of week number 12. So, as you know, we only have 14 weeks in this class. The last week, 14, is actually dedicated to, we have exploration projects, but we also have time in there, and then the following week to get your final assignment, which is the learning autobiography, completed. So let me get right to week number 12. And once again, here's a picture. I'm sorry to inundate you with pictures of one of my favorite spots on this earth. Not that I've been around the earth, but one of my favorite spots is Popham Beach, which is in Phippsburg, Maine. Beautiful beach, an island here, another island way out there. Gorgeous spot. So this week, which starts tomorrow morning, we have 5 exploration projects: Liz, Amy, Kelly, Nikki, and Darla. So they are all facilitating our learning this week. What I'd like you to do is participate in at least 3 of these projects. So what I mean by that, and you can go through the materials of everybody's. I'd love you to take a look at everybody's, but what I'd like you to do, if they are asking, if the 3 that you are participating in, if they are asking you for or if they have a discussion post, I'd like you to participate in that. And I'm not going to get too worried in these next few weeks about, are you going beyond your initial post, especially when I'm asking you to do 3 individual projects. There's a lot of work in just reading through these and going through these and following what the presenter is asking you to do. So if you could just do 1 posting to actually the discussion post, you don't have to do your initial post and 2 others. That would be fine. So once again, here's who's presenting. Their projects are all down here: Liz, Amy, Kelly, Nikki, Darla. And don't worry about this. This is just something I put in. I was having some problems with the format. You won't be able to even see this when you actually get that. So that will come out. For those that are kind of interested in how do you load your materials beyond this week, for those that are presenting in weeks number 13 and 14, down at the bottom of the page is the video on how do you actually do it. It will give you an idea of how to do it. Judging from what's been done in the past, sometimes we have glitches, but oftentimes things go extremely well. So let me just show you one thing. So I'm in Liz's material, and I got that by clicking on the week 12 and then clicking on Liz's materials, and this is what you get. This is her organizer, the justification, how will she facilitate, and what are the learning goals, and what will we be doing. She has a very clean format here on what to do. Please see the files below files to view, read, and explore. So we read these, read, watch, read, and participate. So all of her materials are down here. These are the files that she's referring to. But I do want to just alert you to one fact. I was having some problems deleting this PowerPoint down here. This is not the version that Liz would like everybody to use. So she created, in the first thread, she hit reply and she created this. She said, I'd like everybody to use the PowerPoint that is included here. So here's when opening to order to view correctly, please follow these. So what you do is that you click on that, and that will be the correct version. Just follow her prompts here. So once again, this PowerPoint is not the version she would like all of us to use. She's asking us that we use this version. If you have any questions, please, you could reach out to you could reach out to her, you could reach out to me, and we will figure it out. But that is really it for the entire week. Let me go back to the content for week number 12. So once again, here's the presentations. Once again, just participate in 3 of them. I'd love it if you could take a look. Everybody at this point, especially those that have presented and those are putting your materials together, you understand there's a lot of work involved with this. So if you have the time and you want to participate in all five, I really would appreciate it. But don't worry, you're not being graded on did you participate in all 5. Any questions, please let me know. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I look forward to seeing everybody online this next week. See you, everybody. Bye.